I feel the need to document everything that's going on because it's hard to believe unless it's well documented or it happens to you. The case is so transparent that the whole incident was live streamed for not just the 10-minute encounter, but also 20 minutes prior and 15 minutes after.
Exactly. Yeah, everyone saw the whole thing.
All the evidence they need is right there documented on YouTube. If someone approaches you, gets in your face, and tells you to leave, it's a threat. If you ask someone to keep their distance and they refuse, it's a threat. If you have to pull out pepper spray to try to keep someone away from you, that's an alarming threat. When you are forced to leave the area to de-escalate the situation and are pursued, it's a dangerous threat. The Ventura County District Attorney would have you believe that I walked up to a stranger and sprayed him in the face for views and money. But there are crimes depicted on that YouTube video. PC 646.9 is defined as following, harassing, and threatening someone to the point that a person fears for his or her safety. Do I need to have a broken nose from a sucker punch or be bleeding from a stab wound before I have the right to defend myself? Do I need to prove who I am and provide what I'm doing to a stranger to keep someone a safe distance away from me? No. This is just an angry, misinformed person who is being unreasonable. He 100% disturbed my peace. Now, ever since Lackluster's video and my video about the DA, Cesar Ponce is determined to convict and lock me up. It is no longer a case of questionable self-defense. It's a slanderous character attack on me and anyone supporting me. He's getting assessor maps as evidence to try to prove I was trespassing on a clearly publicly accessible area. He admitted my arrest report from Santa Cruz into evidence on this case, even though it's highly irrelevant. He's hired a YouTube expert, and I'm using air quotes, to document and scrutinize this channel as well as Lackluster's. He interviewed this guy again to try and get anything he can to villainize me, also highly irrelevant. This guy is an absolute joke who is wasting our tax dollars on a 4-day trial using mountains of irrelevant evidence. Other than a speeding ticket 7 or 8 years ago, I have a clean record. Absolutely no history of violence or anything like that. So why are they coming at me so hard? Because they don't like what I'm doing. The court of public opinion has already reached a verdict and found this person to be unfit for his duties as a representative of the people.